Hey guys, welcome to Finger Gym. Welcome to today's guitar warm-up. We're going to work through 4 exercises to get you warmed up and ready to play. Whether you're using an acoustic or an electric guitar, they both work. And we're going to start with a metronome of 75 BPM. Start with a spider exercise, go up 1, 2, 3, 4 with our fingers. Then when we get to the top of the frets, we move up a fret and go back down 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll get the hang of it as we start. So let's go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. And we move up a fret here and come back down. Nice. Up a fret. And up. Nice one. Try to keep your fingers as close to the frets as possible. This will improve speed as you get better at this. And up. Okay, keep going, we'll just do a couple more. Alright, 2 more, we'll go up and down again, and then we're done with this exercise. Okay, good job. So the next exercise is the minor pentatonic scale, and we're going to do 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, and then come back down. 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. Okay, if you're not used to this, then watch that a few times to get the hang of it, and we're going to do that. And each time we go up and back down, then we'll move up a fret. So let's get going. 75 BPM again. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1. And then back. And then up a fret. Back down. Good job. And up. Okay, we do one more, last one, on the 5th fret. Okay, good job. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna do it double the speed. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Okay, good job. Now you can always speed up this video if you want to make it a bit harder, or you can slow it down to make it a bit easier. Rewatch some of the parts to learn the techniques and then do this daily. We're on to the next exercise now. It's called a staggered spider. So what we're going to do is go 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. Then we get to the top, we move up a fret, and then we're going to do it reversed. 4, 2, 3, 1. Okay, this is not easy if it's the first time you've done it. You may have done it before, but we're going to do that together with this slow version first of all. 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. Remember, you can always slow the video down, have a little practice first, or speed it up if you're getting bored and you want to get on with it. Upper fret. 4, 2, 3, 1. Upper fret. 1, 3, 2, 4. And upper fret. Okay, one more. Upper fret, last one. Okay, let's do it again, but double speed. Now 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Oh, good job. Made a couple mistakes there. My bad, guys. Hopefully you're doing better than I am. I was thinking about the next exercise as I was doing it, so staying concentrated and focused is very important. The next one, and the final one, is going to be the major scale, 3 notes per string. Okay, if you've not done this before as well, you might need to just practice it a couple times. But pretty much we go 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. That's 1 octave. We're going to do 2 octaves, so we're going to go the next string, 2, 3, 5, 3, 7, 8, and then back. Let's just do that up until the 5th fret. We'll just do it slow to get the hang of it with this one. So only practice. 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 7. And then we move up a fret here. job, guys. Like I say, you can always slow down, pause the video, get the hang of it. This is good. Theory as well, the major scale. Very important scale. Maybe the most important scale. That you shouldn't mess up. Now 4th fret. Last one. Nice one, guys. That was a 10-minute guitar warm-up. You can do an electric guitar and an acoustic guitar. Do this every day, get quicker. You can speed up the video and get faster and faster as well here on YouTube with me. I hope you enjoyed this episode, this video of Finger Gym, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out my channel for more videos like this. Thanks, guys.